3 Michelin-starred chef Quique Dacosta has brought his first restaurant outside of Spain to London's Fitzrovia, and celebrities are flocking to it. From Ulrika Jonsson to Miles Nazaire, TV stars have been indulging in the talented cook's modernist take on wood-fire Spanish Mediterranean cooking. 7. Arros QD chef Quique DacostaCredit, Arros QD. 7. A hearty Mediterranean vegetable mixCredit, Arros QD. 7. Galician octopus leg is an explosion of flavors, colors and textures.Credit, Arros QD. Has renowned for contemporary reinterpretations of classic Mediterranean dishes, inspired by the ancient trade routes from Africa and Asia into Spain. And Arros QD on East Castle Street offers an unforgettable experience, from exquisite, Instagrammable dishes to world-famous wines. So it's no wonder it's getting the attention of famous faces in the city. The menu changes with the seasons, blending regional Spanish cooking heritage with local British ingredients. Cooked to the flame on a 6-meter stove, dishes include everything from flame-grilled octopus to tomahawk steaks and paellas brought sizzling to your table. This Saturday, March 19th, Las Fallas, the city of Valencia's celebration of Fire Festival, comes to Arros QD from 6:30 p.m. For one night only, the Spanish city's biggest cultural event is coming to London in association with Visit Valencia and Valencia region. Arros QD will celebrate its heritage with DJ La Santa, live fire artistry entertainment, Spanish cocktails and 7 courses. Tickets cost £115 per person, which includes dinner, drinks and dancing from 6:30 p.m. to the early hours of the morning. 7. Textures rice, a Mediterranean delicacy with a golden color and seafood-rich flavor. Credit, Arros QD. 7. Las Fallas, a celebration of fire is coming to Arros QD on Saturday. Credit, Arros QD. 7. Ulrika Jonsson dined in Arros QD earlier this month. Credit, Instagram. 7. Miles Nazaire, famous for being in Made in Chelsea, and a fan of Arros QD. Credit, Channel 4.